If you're tired of scrolling your phone with your hand, this video is for you. Go to Play Store and search Volume Scroll and download it. Turn off battery optimization and enable accessibility service in settings. It solves smartphone pinky fatigue by letting you scroll with physical volume buttons. Scroll through any app or web page using your volume buttons. Volume scroll makes browsing easier by letting you scroll hands-free. You can also adjust the speed of scrolling like fast or slow. You can scroll any app, read books and documents. You can pick between smooth, natural or instant scrolling also. Although in basic free plan you have only one app to scroll through at a time, but you can change it anytime in app settings. Strike double press or long press volume keys to open system volume panel.